rearrange 3y plus 9x is equals to 18 into y is equals to ms plus c. So what we are going to do, solution is this: 3y plus 9x is equals to 18. So what we are going to do is we are going to take this plus 9x to the other side. So we are going to have 3y is equals to 18 minus 9x. Then we divide both sides by 3. So we have to divide both sides by 3. So divide this by this, divide this by 3. So this cancels this. So that y will be alone. So that y will now be equals to, this is 18 over 3 minus 9x over 3. So our answer is y is equals to 3 in 18. That is 3 in 18. That is 6. So 6 minus 3a1, 3a3. So 6 minus 3x. So there, our y will be, y is equals to minus 3x plus 6 is the answer. Yeah, our y is equals to minus 3x plus 6. It is very simple.